In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a weekly planner using lists as weeks. Start by going to the Trello website and logging into your account. Once you're in, look for the Create button and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Create Board. This is where you'll make a fresh workspace that will hold your weekly planner. Now enter a board name. Something simple like Weekly Planner works perfectly. After that, click Create to open your new board. Trello usually starts every new board with 3 default lists already added. Since you want your planner organized by days of the week instead, go ahead and delete those 3 pre-added lists so you can build the layout exactly the way you want it. With the board cleared out, click Add another list. Type Monday, then press Enter. This creates your first day column. Next, click Add another list again, type Tuesday, and press Enter. Repeat the same process for Wednesday. Then continue adding lists one day at a time until you reach Sunday. By the end, your board should display a full week, with each list representing a single day. Once your weekly structure is in place, you can start planning tasks. Under any day list, click Add a card. Type the task you want planned for that day, then press Enter to create the card. You can keep adding as many cards as you need under each day, depending on how full your schedule is. This makes it easy to separate tasks by day and see your week at a glance. One of the most useful parts of this setup is how flexible it is. If plans change, you don't need to rewrite anything. Just drag a card from one list to another to move that task to a different day. For example, if something planned for Monday needs to happen on Wednesday instead, simply click and drag the card across to the Wednesday list. That way your planner stays updated without any extra work. At this point, your weekly planner is fully set up and ready to use. You now have a clean Trello board with lists as weeks, or more specifically, lists for each day of the week and cards for the tasks you want to complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A simple tip as you use this planner is to keep card titles short and clear so each task is easy to scan. You can also rearrange cards within the same day if you want to reflect priority or order. And that's it. Your weekly planner is ready, and you can start organizing your week right away.